Phaco Basics for Beginners. This IC is designed for the postgraduate students and those converting from manual Phaco to Phaco surgery, and those who have already started their Phaco training. As you all know, the technology and techniques of Phaco emulsification has been evolving over the years. And this instruction course will address the basics of the techniques and technology. Thank you. I hope you find this session useful. Thank you.
Thank you. The team Phaco Basics would like to thank Dr. Saini and KSOS for this wonderful opportunity. I'll be speaking about conversion from SICS to Phaco tips and tricks. SICS is the first surgery any postgraduate student of ophthalmology does in their career nowadays, where the basic skills of ophthalmic surgeries are learned. Actually, this is the first step in the journey to become a Phaco surgeon. Do SICS properly. These techniques look deceivingly simple for a beginner, but it needs time and experience to master it. Why SICS? That is the question. SICS itself is a great surgery. Temporary SICS is as good as Phaco, but if you want to flourish, you need to do. Flourish in your practice, you need to do Phaco. This session is specially designed for postgraduate students who will be the future Phaco surgeons. I assure you, our session will be a simple one, no high-fi stuffs. As you know, most of the steps are same in SICS and Phaco. Capsulorhexis, hydrodissection is same. Cortical aspiration with Simcoe and IOL insertion is almost same. The difference is in corneal incision as well as in nucleus management. So our goal is to do Phaco. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Our plan is to prepare for Phaco while doing SICS. For that, you have to master the capsulorhexis, the art and science of capsulorhexis, hydro procedures, and cortical aspiration while you are doing SICS. So I would like to emphasize on the importance of capsulorhexis. You have to be an expert in capsulorhexis. Capsulorhexis is ideally done through side port, and you should be able to do any type of cataract, soft, hard, intumescent, brown, in desired size and with good control while you're doing SICS. And you should know how to manage the complications like extensions, and you know how to put the right, you should know how to put the right over at the right time. And hydro procedures, dissection and delineation should be learned properly. Dissection is characterized by a fluid wave, and we have to rotate the nucleus, and delineation with the golden ring and rotation of endonucleus. Delineation is going to help the beginner when they start their Phaco. So the work half done. You know how to do RXs, you know how to do hydrodissection, and cortical wash with Simcoe through side port makes the irrigation aspiration cannula aspiration easy, and IOL insertion is not that difficult. So what is left behind is nucleus management and the incision. So before converting to Phaco, we have to convert from superior SICS to temporal SICS. We suggest you can start with temporal SICS if your teachers allow you to do so. Nucleus management is all about, Phaco is all about nucleus management. Trenching, dividing, and chopping are the different procedures. Before that, we should be thorough about the Phaco dynamics. The volumes are written about Phaco dynamics. At least you should know the basics. That will help you to do good. And you can start your Phaco journey with cortical aspiration using biomanual irrigation aspiration in SICS. As you can see in this video, after nucleus delivery, you can make an extra side port. We can do the cortical aspiration as well as even polishing while doing SICS itself, provided the SICS wound, the skeletal wound should be stable, or we can suture it if it is not stable. You can start your Phaco. You should choose the right patients. It should not be it should not be very hard or very soft and well dilating. The incision can be either a corneal incision or a scleral tunnel. Scleral tunnel will be safer, more so if you are doing it alone, or when your seniors are not here, and because it is easy for the easy enough for conversion. And you can put in a rigid IOL also. So this is a nucleus grade 3 cases. As you can see, a small scleral wound is made. AS is ended with the keratome. The scleral incision is hardly 3 millimeter, and Phaco is finished. The nucleus is removed. The irrigation aspiration irrigation is done, and you can put a foldable IOL and finish the surgery. This is another case. It's more intumescent case. Rhexis is over. Here you are putting a big scleral incision. Tunnel is made, but not AC is not entered. And Phaco is Phaco is over. Irrigation aspiration is done, and I am enlarging the scleral tunnel so that we can put a rigid IOL if you have no access to foldable IOL. So now this is a it looks like an SICS, but it is actually Phaco done. So some more words. So the degrees will not help you to teach. I mean, they will not make you a Phaco surgeon. You had to do what? You had to go for training. You had to go for a long-time fellowship, or you can do a training in your own institution or any institution where you get to do a lot of SICS, and later you can convert. Short-term fellowships can kickstart your Phaco training if you are continuing in your own institution. And the number of cases do matter. When we should start doing Phaco. Number of SICS do matter. You should not hurry. At the same time, you should not delay your conversion. SICS should be, conversion you can convert when you are confident enough to manage all the difficult cases as well as complications. So, and every PG cannot go for Phaco training directly. There are so many social pressures to deal with. So take a break, follow your dreams, and chase them. If I quote the Paulo Coelho, when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.